Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix the iCSee camera not connecting to Wi-Fi. Now, if your camera is stuck during the setup or failing to connect, you can just simply try these real solutions that actually work. So first of all, iCSee cameras don't support the 5 gigahertz Wi-Fi. So you need to make sure that your phone is first of all connected to 2.4 gigahertz network before the setup. Now this is the number one reason why connection fails. So make sure that you do this as the first step. Now after doing this, if you are still facing the issue, you can just simply try resetting your camera. For that, you just have to basically press and hold the reset button or the power button for about 10 to 15 seconds until you hear a prompt or until you see a blinking light. Now this clears the old Wi-Fi data and allows a fresh connection. Now you need to also make sure that you are using the correct Wi-Fi name and the password format. Some iCSee cameras fails if the Wi-Fi name or the password is too complex. So during the setup, just place the camera very close to the router. The weak signal can also stop pairing completely or cause the failure midway. Now, if none of the methods are working for you, you can just simply try restarting all of the three devices. First of all, you can restart your camera. Then you can just simply restart your phone app. Afterwards, you can restart your Wi-Fi router. So this refreshes the connection and fixes most of the temporary issues. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.